everyone.
My God.
Are you a fan of machines, technology, and thrilling control challenges? Well then, welcome aboard. You've just landed in the right place. Subscribe now so you don't miss a single epic moment. Let's jump into the video. Heart-stopping moment. A truck, in a reckless rush, tried to cross the railway while the red warning lights were flashing. That thoughtless decision came at a high price, a powerful reminder for all of us. Never ignore railway warning signals. Share this to help raise awareness about traffic safety for everyone. Suddenly, a technical failure struck the cable. The multi-ton truck plummeted straight down. But luckily, the operator reacted just in time and escaped within inches of disaster. Safety is the top priority on every job site, no exceptions. Dozens of trucks were severely damaged, and cargo losses were massive. All on a sunny, clear-skied day. No rain, dry roads, and seemingly safe conditions. Yet the aftermath was twisted metal, shattered axles, and crushed undercarriages. So what if a sudden rainstorm had hit this place? If the road had been slick and slippery, would this pass have turned into a true nightmare? This isn't just a warning, it's a wake-up call. Even the roads that seem the safest can hide deadly risks beneath the surface. A textbook case of carelessness in operating a specialized truck. The dump truck failed to account for proper load weight and distribution. One moment of hesitation, one wrong decision, and it could lead to a tragedy with no way out. Even a minor collision can serve as a major warning. Just a small piece of metal, seemingly harmless, but once lifted by a high-rise crane with powerful cable force, it struck a structural weak point of the building. That single impact acted like a trigger, causing the entire massive structure to collapse in the blink of an eye. A bold new demolition method now being applied in construction projects. Where did the error come from? Was it the equipment? No, this wasn't just a technical failure, it was human error. The crane operator failed to properly calculate the load. With a multi-ton truck, just one uncontrolled decision can cost everything. While unloading soil, the truck driver reversed and stepped hard on the gas to get out. But the rear wheels slipped off the edge, the truck lost balance and flipped straight into the ditch. Quick-thinking rescue skills saved the tractor from the soft, sinking mud just in the nick of time. Cables were hooked up, and the pullout was executed lightning fast. A clean, powerful, and decisive recovery. True tractor brotherhood in action. A reckless and baffling decision, deliberately crossing the railway tracks even as the warning lights were flashing and the barriers had come down. The result, a terrifying impact, and fortunately, it ended as only a minor accident. But this is still a costly lesson for anyone who dares to ignore railway safety signals. The passenger bus lost control, but thankfully another bus passing by didn't hesitate. They stopped, hooked up a cable, and helped pull it out. The moment the bus was yanked out quickly and smoothly was truly tense, yet satisfying to watch. A perfectly timed team effort, showing solidarity and support on every road, one bus helping another. A powerful act of humanity on wheels. The old wooden bridge was severely deteriorated, rotting away with time, yet the truck driver still chose to gamble with fate. A heart-stopping moment. Just as the truck's front wheels touched the far side, the bridge collapsed behind it. That multi-ton truck could have plunged straight into the deep water, had the bridge given way just seconds earlier. One reckless attempt could have been the last. Weak bridge, heavy truck, never push your luck.
Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh.
Chưa, má.จบเลยขาดไปแล้วเย้จบเกม
The truck was equipped with a massive, thunderous exhaust and a rugged, intimidating frame, revving and lifting its front like a beast full of power. But it was all just for show. Inside, the engine was weak, the turbo badly damaged, and the pulling force just wasn't there. Just when it seemed hopeless and the truck was about to give up, the excavator arrived, right on time. With perfect coordination, machine and truck combined their strength, and at last the stuck vehicle was pulled free. Cheered on by excited shouts from everyone around,
จบเลยขาดไปแล้วยืดจบเกลียบเอาขาดไปแล้วสละยานไปแล้ว1 เส้น
My God โอ้โหโอ้เซอร์สโอ้โหโอ้ my god โอ้โหโอ้